You have clicked on my video because you had a question, and that was how to stop a train in GTA 5. But the real question is, can you really stop a train in GTA 5? No, you can't. I was just kidding. Bruh. So stick to your seats or anything you're standing or sitting on, because I'm going to tell you something that you will never forget. First of all, stop doing this. Because this is a waste of time. So instead of wasting your time, go to this point of the map and start that parachuting mission. Yes, right here, this one. After you get to your destination, get off your car. If you had a car, and then enter this helicopter. I meant steal it. You ha 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 ha. Kidding. Just get on that heli.
Down there, be totally cool.
Now jump off and try to land on the train successfully. Okay? Because it's not that easy you think. But if you could somehow get on that freaking train, grab your sticky bombs, stick them to the train, and then press that explosion button, and then it will definitely stop. And congratulations! Now you know how to stop a train. But you owe me a like and a subscribe.